Good morning, esteemed lecturer and guests. My name is Sarah Trias Milenia, a student in the Master of Management program at Jakarta State University. Today, I'm honored to present my thesis proposal entitled the Impact of Perceived Value, Service Quality, Trust, and Brand Image on Purchase Intention for Cikarang. This is my outline, introduction, literature review, and research method. Research background. The research is motivated by a significant shift in modern marketing from a transactional to a relational approach, where building long-term customer relationship is paramount. However, this approach is rarely applied in depth within the property industry, where home purchase decisions are complex, involving deep rational and emotional consideration. The phenomenon at Medland Cikarang reinforced this. Internal data shows that while the number of leads has consistently increased from August to October, the conversion rate to actual buyers remains volatile. This indicates a significant gap between initial interest and the final purchase decision. Therefore, this research aimed to analyze the key psychological factors believed to bright this gap, namely perceived value, service quality, trust, and brand image, and their impact on purchase intention. Research question. Based on the background, the research questions are formulated to test two main points. First, do perceived value, service quality, and trust influence the formation of Medland Cikarang's brand image? Second, do all four variables, perceived value, service quality, trust, and brand image, directly influence consumer purchase intention? Research objective. Specifically, the objective of this study is to test and analyze the 7 causal relationships within the model. This objective covers the direct effect of the 3 independent variables on brand image and the direct effect of all 4 variables, including brand image, on purchase intention. Consequently, there are 7 hypotheses. And this is the research significance. This study is expected to provide a dual contribution. Theoretically, it will fill a literature gap by testing a comprehensive consumer behavior model in the context of the Indonesian residential property sector and enrich the study of brand image as a key variable. Practically, the findings will provide data-driven insight for Medland Cikarang's management to design more effective marketing and service strategies, thereby improving the conversion rate from prospects into actual buyers. Literature review and theoretical framework. This research is grounded in well-established theoretical construct. Purchase intention is defined as the consumer's tendency to purchase a product. Perceived value is the consumer's overall assessment of the benefit reserved versus the sacrifice made. Service quality is measured using the final self-qual dimension. Trust represents the consumer's belief in the integrity and reliability of the company. And brand image is the overall perception formed in the consumer's mind about the brand. All variables are operationalized using indicators adapted from previous research with proven validity and durability. This is conceptual framework and hypothesis. Based on the literature review, we develop a conceptual framework visualized in this conceptual model. This model illustrates the perceived value, service quality, and trust not only have a direct effect of purchase intention, but also shape brand image, which in turn also influences purchase intention. Based on this model, 7 hypotheses are proposed for testing. For the example, perceived value positively influence purchase intention. And for research method, to test this hypothesis, this research will employ an explanatory quantitative approach. The population is all 145 active leads of Medland Cikarang using purposive sampling. 110 respondents who meet the criteria will be selected as the sample. Primary data will be collected through an online questionnaire using a 1 up to 5 Likert scale, and the collected data will then be analyzed using structural equational modeling with the AMO software. This technique was chosen because it can simultaneously test complex causal relationship between latent variables. And for the research timeline, the implementation of this research is planned in 3 main stages. First, preparation stage, including final instrument preparation, is scheduled for the second week of November. The data collection stage, involving question distribution, is planned for the final week of November, and the data processing and analysis stage will be carried out in December. The schedule is flexible and can be adjusted according to further condition. For the location, the research location at Medland Cikarang, and the research time, November up to December. For the conclusion and implication. In conclusion, this research is expected to provide empirical evidence on how perceived value, service quality, trust, and brand image collectively shape consumer purchase intention in the property sector. And the implication is that these findings are not only academically valuable, but also highly strategic for developers like Medland to design more effective marketing interaction, build trust, strengthen brand image, and ultimately drive sales growth. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention and time. I'm now happy to answer any question, feedback, or constructive suggestion you may have. Thank you.